Hello, today we will guide you through new Cloudflare app installation. To begin, open Google in your web browser. This is the quickest way to find the official download page, especially if you do not already have the direct link saved. Once Google is open, click into the search bar and type Cloudflare download. Be sure to spell it correctly so the results are more accurate and easier to identify. After the search results appear, look for the official Cloudflare download site. It is always a good idea to choose the official source whenever you are downloading software, since this helps you avoid outdated pages or unofficial installers. When you find the correct Cloudflare download page, click to open it. Once you are on the Cloudflare site, locate the download option and click on the Cloudflare download. This should start the process of getting the installer onto your device. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically, or you may be asked to confirm the download location first. If needed, wait a few moments for the file to finish downloading completely before moving on. Next, open the sample installer file that was downloaded. In most cases, you can find it in your Downloads folder or in the download bar of your browser. Double-click the installer to launch it. If your computer shows a security prompt asking whether you want to allow the app to make changes, review it and continue if everything looks correct. From here, follow the on-screen procedure to install the application. The installation steps may vary slightly depending on your operating system, but generally you will move through a few setup screens, review any basic prompts, and continue until the installation is complete. Take your time here and read each screen carefully so you know exactly what is being installed. After installation, open the sample client, or if needed, use private browsing. This may be helpful if you want a clean session or if you are testing access without using an existing browser login. Make sure the application opens fully before continuing. Finally, click on Connect. This is the step that activates the client and begins the connection process. Once selected, give the app a moment to establish the connection. If everything has been installed correctly, you should now be connected and ready to use the Cloudflare app. That's the complete installation process. Follow each screen carefully, use the official download source, and allow a little extra time for the installer and connection steps if your system is running slowly.